Virginia, can this preservation community set an ambitious and contemporary vision for our nation? Can we demonstrate the role of preservation to make amends and to reconcile our past?
I welcome you and thank you for participating in this mini conference today. So many African American sites are disappearing. We're losing more every day. So I think what the work that all of you do is so vital to our country and to our nation, so that people understand the vital role that African Americans have played in our history from the beginning of time until as enslaved persons to the present day.
We have to begin to uncover and find places that highlights sites of business and entrepreneurship.
More African American sites are being recognized and preserved so that we acknowledge Black people's accomplishments and contributions to this great country.
So when I had the opportunity to literally touch the physical evidence of our past, I knew that this work was what I should do as my career. It was both personal, it was professional.
And so in preserving this history, we are working to make sure no one has to suffer the indignity of not knowing their history.
So I hope today's brought these lessons together about how to organize, connect, activate the voices that build a strong and very visible movement as we move forward. That's the way we have something that's unstoppable.
Stony the road we trod, bitter the chastening rod, felt in the days when hope unborn had died, yet with a steady beat, have not our weary feet come to the place for which our fathers sighed.